Hello Numberblock fans! Today we're going to exploring our new number blocks from 201 to 299 part 11 or 231 to 233. Right. First character that we're going to build today is our number block 231. Number block 231 is made out of 200 peach blocks, 30 light yellow blocks, and 1 red remaining block. So we built 231 for the first 200 blocks is 20 by 10 rectangle formation for the 200 blocks, and 30 light yellow blocks which is on the top, which has 20 blocks wide, and then there's only 10 odd blocks more to put it at the corner, and then 1 red block more and put it at the top. So we got 200 plus 30 plus 1 equals 231. Right. Well, 231 actually I want to make a real shape, which is my favorite shape, which is 11 by 21 rectangle formation. Because 231 is made out of 11 lots of 21s or 21 lots of 11s. Well, 231 is the 11th member of the Explorer Club. 21st member of the Football Club, and also the 33rd member of the Lucky Rainbow 7 Club, and lastly is also the 77th member of the Made Out of 3 clubs. So we all build 200 blocks now. I've already built 200 blocks, so I attach it, and then I add 30 light yellow blocks to make 230. That's because, do you know why? This is because 230 is made out of 200 plus 30. But I love the favorite shape, which is 11 by 21. Here are 230. And then we need 1 remaining block more to make 231. Alright, let's attach the face sticker all together. First, we got his eyes, which has step-shaped mask. Do you know why? Why does he have step-shaped mask? This is because he's the 21st member of the Step Squad Club. And then he's made out of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus until 21, or you can say sum up from 1 to 21 is 231. That's why he has the step-shaped mask, which has peach with the orange border and the red one to represent the 21, because he's the 21st member of the Step Squad Club. And then we also have a headband times 33. That's because he's the 33rd member of the Lucky Rainbow 7 Club, and also he's made out of 33 lots of 7s. We also have an Explorer hat, which is inspired from the number block 21 Explorer hat, and that's because, you know why? Because he's the 11th member of the Explorer Club. And then we put the sorry, I forgot to change the numbering. And then we also got a number link for the number block 231. And here's our finish, number block 231. Right. For the next character that we're going to build today is our number block 232. So 232 is made out of 200 light peach blocks, 30 light yellow blocks, and 2 orange blocks. So we're going to build 232 into 20 by first remaining 200 blocks into 20 by 10 rectangle formation, and then we add 30 light yellow blocks more to make 230, and then we add 2 remaining orange blocks to get 232. 1, 231, and 232. Right, we got 232 blocks. So let's attach the face sticker all together. Well, 232 has orange features. Do you know why? Because 232 has 2 remaining orange blocks. And she's made out of 8 lots of 29s. Well, the numbers which can divide by 29s is a club or a cutie pet. But I forget to make the club, so I use the pet instead. Alright, don't worry about it. We build like this. Actually, 232 is made out of 8 lots of 29. You can build 8 by 29 rectangle formation. But I don't have a way to build how to build 8 by 29, so I build it like this to make it easier. She has orange features. She's made out of 8 lots of 29s, 4 lots of 58s. 4 lots of 58s. 4 lots of 58s, 2 lots of 116. And then that's all. And 1 lot of 232 for herself. And then we also got another orange eyebrows. There, we got 232. And also, we got a number link for the number block 232. Here's our number block 232. For the last character that we're going to build today is our number block 233. For the 233 is made out of 200 light peach blocks, 30 light yellow blocks, and 3 normal remaining 3 yellow blocks. So, which means 233 is made out of 200 plus 30 plus 3. Well, 233 is an odd number, and he cannot divide it any numbers, which means 233 is a prime number. 233 is the 51st member of the prime club. That's why 233 is an alien. Because 51 is an alien, right? 51 is an alien. The numbers which can divide by 51 is an alien. I inspired from the Numberblocks fan-made Numberblocks, so that's why I made him as an alien. Because I want to make it different and cooler. And also we got a painter's hat. You know why? Because the painters should wear the painter's hat. And also we got splats too. And he has yellow features. That's because 233 has 3 remaining yellow blocks. How to put? I think I should put at the right or put at the left? I think I should put at the left. We also, there's more splats, more yellow splats. We need only 3 more splats to complete number block 233. 2 splats left. 1 splat. And then complete. But don't forget the numbering for the number block 233. Here's our finished number block 233. And this is all of the characters that I built today. So which character do you like the most? 231, 232, or 233? Please leave the comments. So this is the end of today's video. If you want to see more videos, make sure to click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more notifications from my new videos. So see you again next time. Bye bye.